In today's video, I'd want to go a little deeper and break down one important benefit and one primary disadvantage of each of these ways so you can select which one is best for you and get started on the path to making $100 each day. If you are a complete newbie, I don't want to waste any time and want to get right into it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to press the like button. That means a great deal to me. Let's get this video started right now. Let's start with the first method for making $100 per day as a beginner, which is an eBay wholesale store. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with what this is, it is essentially where you will create an e-commerce business using the eBay platform. By choosing a supplier who can supply you the items in bulk, you will be able to get the inventory that you will sell in order to create money. And the website I've been using for the past 9 years to find a supplier in China is going to be Alibaba.com. And just to give you a quick example of how this works, I recently bid on a laptop desk on eBay. And, as you can see, they've sold over 2,680 units, generating over $35 in income each transaction. But here's the catch: if we go to Alibaba.com, I can get a very identical laptop stand. However, if you were to buy from here, it'll cost you around $13 each unit, implying that if this eBay seller gets it from Alibaba.com, they're making around $10 to $15 every sale. You'll go through the process of creating an eBay listing once you've found a winning product that's selling well and a reliable supplier. And this brings me to one of the main advantages I want to discuss. The process of listing items on eBay is actually rather simple when it comes to creating an eBay wholesale company. Of course, there will be a learning curve, as with any other online business, but compared to listing things on Amazon, eBay is a lot easier as long as you remember these important rules. When you start selling on eBay, you will be able to have your items placed towards the top of the search results. Because if you understand eBay SEO and utilize relevant keywords in your title, eBay will know just who to show your items to. Of course, if you use the appropriate images and price your goods correctly, you will increase your click-through rate, which implies that eBay will offer your product to an increasing number of consumers. Of course, you must remember to include all of your policies as well as the right information in your description part, as well as the critical information that clients require in the item-specific section. Refund procedures, shipping policies, and terms and conditions, for example. All of these distinct aspects of an eBay listing are really important, and if you understand them, you'll be able to easily reproduce them while selling hundreds of thousands of different items on your site. One of the biggest disadvantages of establishing an eBay wholesale business is that you will need money to get started. Now, in my opinion, this is not always a disadvantage, since I believe that you should be prepared to invest in your business to bring it to a certain degree. However, if you are starting off on a tight budget, this is something you should think about because you will need to purchase the items from your supplier by paying them the money ahead of time so that they can ship it to you in your nation. So, let's move on to the second way to earn $100 per day as a beginner: building an affiliate marketing website. And most of you are undoubtedly familiar with this website as a blog. For those of you who are confused with what it is or how it works, it is simply where you will set up a website with the intention of regularly publishing written articles on that website. The game's purpose is to have such articles ranked on Google. You'll be able to direct all of that traffic to your content because Google is the most frequented website on the globe. Of course, you'll add a number of affiliate links in those articles, allowing you to make affiliate commissions. And I know what most of you are thinking right now, but Sam, isn't it impossible to have a brand new article on Google's first page? And I'm sorry to say that the answer is no. And this brings me to the most significant advantage of this particular business strategy. In my personal experience, being ranked on Google isn't all that difficult. So, if you thought creating an affiliate marketing website and earning Google traffic would be difficult, I feel this is an excellent internet business idea. One of the most significant drawbacks I've observed in my own experience is that you'll need some basic writing abilities. For example, spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Oh, while this is an amazing approach to earn $100 each day, you must first demonstrate your ability to write an article. You may, of course, outsource it to freelancers who will be able to compose it for you. However, you will need the ability to thoroughly verify everything since you do not want to end up with garbage content on your website. So, let's move on to the third and last online business model we'll discuss in this video: an automated faceless YouTube channel. And, when it comes to making money using this method, I'd say the main benefit is that it's a fantastic type of passive income. This is because YouTube is the world's second most popular website. That implies that if you understand how the YouTube algorithm works and can maintain posting films on a regular basis, there's a strong chance those videos will be seen for the next 5, maybe 20 years. That is, you will place yourself in a good position to generate money in a number of ways. And I've summarized the 4 alternatives right here. You have the option of doing affiliate marketing, selling your own product or service, generating cash through brand collaborations, or making money with AdSense. I can almost ensure that if you do create a YouTube channel and decide to take the faceless way, generating $100 per day in earnings will be trivial in comparison to what you'll ultimately be able to start earning money. One of the biggest drawbacks of launching an automated faceless YouTube channel is the need to hire a large number of freelancers. When it comes to managing an automated YouTube channel, numerous factors come into play. For editing, script writing, thumbnail design, video uploading, YouTube, SEO, and coming up with the video concept, you'll need to hire a freelancer. This particular online business has a lot of moving parts, and it's a great one to start because the potential for a lot of money is undeniably there. However, because there are so many moving parts to your internet business, you'll need to budget for a variety of freelancers to help you get started. Don't forget to press the like button if you've enjoyed this video so far. That means a great deal to me. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell notification. And if you want to receive similar content to what you saw in today's video, please subscribe. And if you want to watch another YouTube video I made not long ago in which I break down some other important things you need to know about generating money online that I didn't really cover in today's video, make sure you click the link right there. Check out immediately after this one since it has already helped so many others and I am positive it will help you as well. Okay, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.